In the political arena, alliances can be as influential as policies, and when it comes to potential endorsements, few figures hold as much intrigue as Meghan Markle. As Vice President Kamala Harris ramps up her campaign for the 2024 presidential election, whispers of a royal endorsement have begun to circulate. What has sparked these rumors? Well, it all traces back to Harris's past statements that show a deep respect for the Duchess of Sussex. Back in October 2019, long before she became vice president, Kamala Harris was still on the campaign trail vying for the Democratic nomination. It was during this time that she publicly supported Meghan Markle after the Duchess opened up about her struggles with media scrutiny during her first pregnancy. Harris took to Twitter to share a clip of Markle discussing the emotional toll of the negative press, writing, "This is incredibly important. We must remember that it's a sign of strength to show emotion." She added a personal note, "Meghan, we are with you." Harris's admiration for Markle didn't stop there. In June 2020, during the height of the Black Lives Matter protests, Markle delivered a poignant virtual address to the graduating class of her former high school in Los Angeles. In her speech, she addressed the political climate, expressing her initial hesitance to speak out due to fears her words would be dissected. But she ultimately concluded that the only wrong thing to say is to say nothing, a statement that resonated with many, including Harris. The then-senator retweeted the clip, calling it a powerful statement and once again showing her support for Markle's courage in speaking out. These moments of public solidarity between Harris and Markle have not gone unnoticed. As Harris's campaign for the presidency gains momentum, royal commentator Richard Fitzwilliams speculates that Meghan Markle could soon endorse Harris. According to Fitzwilliams, this endorsement might not just be a show of support, it could also serve as a stepping stone for Markle's own political ambitions. Markle, who has become increasingly involved in U.S. politics since stepping back from her royal duties, has already urged Americans to vote and spoken out against misinformation. The idea of a Markle endorsement is particularly intriguing given her and Prince Harry's growing influence in American social and political spheres. The couple has been vocal about various causes, from mental health to racial equality, and their involvement in the 2024 election cycle, particularly through campaigns against AI-generated misinformation, signals their deepening engagement in U.S. political discourse. Rumors have even swirled about Markle potentially running for office herself, possibly eyeing a seat in the U.S. Senate after the death of California's Senator Dianne Feinstein. While these are just speculations, one thing is clear: Meghan Markle's voice in politics is growing louder, and her alignment with figures like Kamala Harris could be a sign of even bigger things to come. As the 2024 presidential race heats up, the potential for a royal endorsement could add an intriguing twist to an already historic campaign. Kamala Harris's past support for Meghan Markle is now being viewed through a new lens, one that could very well shape the future of American politics. Whether or not Markle officially steps into the political ring herself, her influence is undeniable, and her connection with Harris is something to watch closely as the election unfolds.